Hi, this is Avi Abir.
And I'm F. Kamal from Essential Web Apps, and welcome to our quick crash course of Figma. In this course, we covered the basics of Figma to jumpstart a new project. If you're new to Figma but not new to the UI UX design world, then this just might be the right course for you. Whether you're an Up XD or Sketch user or maybe even a front-end developer who just wants to design first before starting to write the codes, this could be exactly what you're looking for.
But if you are new to this UI UX design world, then this could be your first step in this world. Before you start learning those heavy words like component, accessibility, dynamic buttons, and so on, this simple course will help you to understand the tools that you're going to use throughout the design process.
In this free version, we have covered all of the basic tools like the frames and grid layouts, color and shape options, text tools, image tools, and visual effects.
And we also covered one of those advanced stuff as well, like auto layout, component variant, plugins, and of course, prototyping.
This is a free and brief course. If you want to be an expert and want to learn everything about Figma, then we also have a paid course as well. In that course, we have covered advanced grid systems, responsive UI design, multi-dimensional component variants, dynamic buttons, advanced level prototype using Figma, and the list goes on.
But that's all on the paid program. For now, let's start with this free course. By the way, be sure to check out our paid program as well. And if you're looking this into YouTube, please check the description below. You'll find it there. And one more thing I have to mention, that if you want to go along with us, you can just download the file that we have used in this program, and you can find the link in the description as well.